Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? La Machine here from workingclasshustler.com and also the Working Class Hustler podcast. Real quick, guys, we did a video where some of the products you see in the background were sourced at Ollie. So if you didn't get a chance to check that out, link will be in the description. Check that out because it's going to teach you some of my tips and tricks on how to actually go about scanning. It goes into detail as far as what am I looking at on the app in the store? What am I looking at when I further evaluate in the shop? And the purpose is to teach you your most important skill when it comes to selling on Amazon, which is being able to evaluate inventory so that you know the likelihood of you being able to sell and being able to sell for a profit. But here's the deal. When you shop at Ollie's, guys, leave a comment if you know what I'm talking about. The one thing that you're going to hate, the one little thing that just gets on your nerves is these stupid little let me see if I can get that on there. These stupid little stickers that they put on there. Now, here's the thing, guys. Ollie's puts these on there because they're in their system. They have a gun that scans that. So they're not gonna, if you notice when you're checking out, they don't scan the UPC code. They literally scan that dumb sticker and they get on your nerves. Now, if you want to get those off, what you can do, you got a few things you can do. You can try and peel them off very, very slowly. Now, if you notice, I grab it and I roll my fingers. I grab it and I roll my fingers. So you're seeing me roll my fingers. And it takes a while. Here, we're doing it, guys. This is one way to do it. I don't like it. I don't recommend it. But you can do it. And depending on how hard it was stuck on there, you can get it off. So there it is. It's gone. We got it. That's one way to do it. Another way that I used to do for a long time was I would go to Walmart or wherever and I would get that let me see if I have some up there. I would get some of that Goo Gone. It comes in a bottle. And I didn't want to spray it on there. What I would do is spray it on a I'm just showing you something. I would spray it on a paper towel. Here, let me show you. I would spray it on a paper towel and then I would wipe it on there. Okay? Let it set because it needs time to penetrate. And then they typically come right off. But it can be a little on the messy side and it can stain sometimes. Depending on the packaging, it can leave a dark mark. Most of the time that goes away, but it stinks. It's messy. But it is a way to do it. So now we got two ways. Now this is the way that I do it anymore. What I do is I take a heating gun. Guys, if you don't have a heating gun, you can use a hair dryer. It's the same thing, but if you're a professional, if you're going to be doing this, you might want to invest. So there'll be a link in the description if you want to get that and you don't feel like searching. All you do, I'm going to turn this on, and then what I'm doing is I'm looking inside the gun, and when it starts to glow, then what I'll do is get about this distance away, and I'll just sort of maybe 5 seconds. And then it comes off. So let's see what happens. Yeah, can you see that glowing in there now? Now watch this, about 5 seconds maybe. Now what that did was that just heated up the actual adhesive, and you see how quick that comes off. That's the way I like to do it. I hope that gave you some a good tip on how to remove your labels from your Ollie's products. It's something you got to do, guys. I hate it, but there are good deals to be had at Ollie's, so it's a necessary evil. And think about it like this, guys. You know how I am. I love that degree of separation. A lot of people will look at Ollie's and go, you know what? I ain't got time for all that. Good. Let them leave. And you can enjoy those profits. If you have assistants, you can show them how to do this. But again, go back and watch the video where I actually sourced these products, and be on the lookout because I'm going to go ahead and put these into a shipment. I'm going to make a video about it because there's a couple things you need to know. You need to know what is the process. If you don't know how this system works, you're saying, okay, great. You're sending them into the Amazon FBA Center, and that sounds great. They do all the work, and that sounds great. Now, how do you actually do it? See, around here, we roll up our sleeves and we do things. I love showing you how to actually do it. Here's another thing I'm going to show you. How do you get it all going to one warehouse? Because here's what you're going to learn real quick, guys, if you do this business. When you go to create that shipment, Amazon says, oh, you got 10 of them? Well, send 1 to this warehouse, send 2 to that warehouse, send 3 to this warehouse, and so on and so on. And you can absorb the cost because now it's going to cost you more so that you lose money. Have fun. Well, a lot of people walk away from it. They go, I can't make money with this business because I don't have the logistics to be sending to all these different warehouses. I have a solution for you. So be on the lookout for that video. It's coming right up. There are so many resources for you, okay, down in the description. Resources like how to use tactical arbitrage. And I mean quickly. We have the Lightning series to do that. We have long content for those who really want to study. We have a complete mini series on that. If you want to learn how to put the shipment together physically, pick, pack, box, all of that. We got videos that teach that. Again, guys, I preach this all the time and I'll never stop. Your most valuable skill is being able to evaluate. There is nothing else that is going to impact your business as much, because if you don't have the inventory, you got nothing. If you don't know how to pick inventory that's going to sell, you got nothing. All right, leave a comment if there's anything else. If you have anything of value to add, maybe you've got a tip on how you deal with Ollie's labels. We'd like to know it. We need you. We need your participation. Subscribe to the channel. Why? Because then you'll be notified when we go live. We're going live more like we used to. You don't want to miss out on that, because that's a chance for you to ask questions and join the Working Class Hustler community. We want you there. So make sure you subscribe. Give the video a like if you got any value. Okay. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next video.